Hi, this is David Roberts, and I'm welcoming you to a new video on common mistakes in QuickBooks, and this is the mistake. A lot of people, when they start recording their credit card payments, they do so by creating an account in the chart of accounts called credit card expense. You can't really do that because you should be keeping track of your Discover or Visa or Cal Oil card or whatever it happens to be as you would with a checking or savings account. You do that by creating a credit card account and paying it with the checking account as you would any other bill. Now, when you make this mistake, what happens? First of all, you are not able to keep track of the individual items that you purchase on your credit card. So if you're paying bills for utilities or you're purchasing items that you need for office expenses, all of that is going to be grouped under credit card expense, and that's not accurate. For example, if you are using your credit cards to purchase inventory items, that means that there's going to be an inaccuracy in your taxes, because what's going to happen is inventory is not deductible. It's an asset. So when you use your credit card to purchase inventory, it's going to throw everything off. It's going to seem like you have an expense to deduct, but you don't. And if the IRS catches it, you're going to end up owing more taxes. So better you catch it now and do it right than the other way. So let's look at ways to add transactions to your credit card account. And one way to do that is to double click on it from the chart of accounts. And here we see there's already a transaction in this account. You can enter in the payee here at the register. So let's just pretend that we're doing ODI, and we're paying $100 for telephone and $100 for gas and electric. And we're going to recalculate it. That leaves us with a charge of $200 that we owe. We're going to close that out and add the transaction here. Okay. Now, another way that you can do that is to go to your home screen, click here on Enter Credit Card Charges, and you're going to see a screen that looks very similar to the bills, credits, invoices, and things of that nature in QuickBooks. So let's just add another bill from ODI for utilities and gas, and click Save and Close. Okay, now we've got two bills in the system that we have paid with our credit card. The utilities expense is included in that, so that's going to be accurate on the balance sheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go click on the right checks, and here's something that's a little different. When you have a credit card, the name of the credit card is obviously what you want the account to be. So let's put Discover in here for the credit card. And the issue is, do we have a Discover as vendor? You may have to create Discover as the vendor and then call the account Discover Card so that you can differentiate between the two when you see them on the screen. We're not going to do that right now, so we don't have to worry about it. All right. So we're making a payment to Discover for the $200 utilities. Click Save and Close. And there we go. The Discover is back down to the original $200 that it was before. Now, when you create, for the first time, when you create a credit card transaction, and you go in here, you want to make sure up here that this is the credit card that you are charging. Because if you click on this, you'll see that we have a number of different credit cards in that section. So make sure that that's accurate before you do that, and then you have everything that you need. Apologize for the dog in the background, but she's annoying. Anyway, that is how to deal with credit cards, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, or you need help with something, give me a call at the number on the screen, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks.